kind of stuff you gotta test ahead of time. Keep wanting to call it a bar cart. Hot cocoa. Hot cocoa. I feel like this is a mighty festive bar cart. Hi, I'm Cornell. Welcome to Home and Hosting. Today we're gonna be styling a hot cocoa bar cart for Christmas. So the first thing I did is I cut a little piece of Christmas ribbon and put it on the lid to make it extra festive. What you do for the recipe, it's so simple. You take some hot cocoa powder, and my jar is pretty big, so I'm gonna do about half a cup of hot cocoa mix. I love these Chrissy Teigen measuring spoons, but they're really wide at the top, and that sometimes causes problems. Okay, so here you go. Half a cup of hot cocoa powder in there. This has a little bit of sugar already, but not very much. So I am going to add some coconut sugar, and that's going to be a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar to layer on top. That also gives a nice warm look and flavor. And then finally, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of white chocolate swirls, which are so decadent and so delicious. And there you go. And then the final thing that I'm going to add is marshmallows to the top. These are adorable little Christmas marshmallows that I got from TJ Maxx because I love TJ Maxx. Okay. I might be going over. Squish them in. Okay, perfect. Then you can put the lid back on, and voila! The easiest and quickest little hot cocoa gift for your friends and family. This is my BitFTA bar cart that I won on an auction website. Well, I bought it on an auction website. And we're gonna style it not as a bar cart today, but as a hot cocoa station for Christmas. Let's get started. So obviously the first thing we're gonna need will be the mugs. I love these Christmas mugs. I think they're so cute. I already put the spoons in here as well, but I'm gonna lay those out so that people don't have to go digging through all the spoons to get access to the spoons. All right, since everyone's doing smaller groups right now, we'll just keep it to 4, a serving size of 4. This little bowl contains white chocolate shavings, which are delicious and amazing, and everyone needs those in a hot cocoa cart. I might put those over there. I got this adorable tiny Christmas tree I actually got it at Target in the dollar section, the $3 section. And I'm just gonna hang 1 or 2 ornaments on it to liven it up. Here we go. Perfect. All right. Don't you love joining me in styling this hot cocoa cart? Keep wanting to call it a bar cart. Hot cocoa. Hot cocoa. And of course, we need the hot cocoa. So this is a hot cocoa that I made earlier. Just in case people were wondering what they were supposed to do here, we have a sign that says hot cocoa. There we go. How does that look? I think it's coming along. I really do. On the bottom, we put some things that people don't really need access to. So pillar candles, just to add some color. You can also put a poinsettia down there. This is a fake poinsettia that I love because you don't have to water it, but it's still super cute and nice. Just keep it far enough away from the candles so that you don't have an incident. All right, what do you guys think? Do we need anything else? I feel like this is a mighty festive bar cart. Thank you so much for joining me in styling this cute hot cocoa bar cart. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Perfect. Voila! Bar cart ready to go.